Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel AK Technical, and today I am going to show you how to download the ROM on Android for free. So let's start. First open your Chrome browser and write the ROM. As you can see the suggestion was come. Tap it, scroll down and open this link, and again scroll down, and here you can see the download option. Tap on APK, start download, press OK. Here you can see the downloading start. I will pause it and go back. Here you can download the data file of the ROM. Downloading start, and I will pause it. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share. Thank you guys. After downloading, extract the file using ES File Explorer and paste it into Android OBB.